Amidst the magnetic pull of the mesmerizing mountains, the rippling river arteries, and the meandering streams, nestles Uttarakhand, a northern state in India, surrounded by the Himalayan range. The year 2013, nature in its full fury unleashed the worst disaster on Uttarakhand. Gigantic flash floods and landslides swept away homes, people, livelihood, causing untold economic damage. Thousands of lives were lost, and for those who survived, life came to a grinding halt, a flatline.
किसी के पास बर्तन नहीं, किसी का पहनने का कपड़ा नहीं, खाए तो खाए क्या, जाए तो जाए कहाँ।
तो हमारे बहुत सारे खेतें थे नीचे, तो वो भी सारे चले गए।
ऐसा लग रहा था कि ये समुद्र जैसे समुद्र लाइक समुद्र जो हम देखते हैं टीवी में, आकर्षित लहरें चल रही थी।
हमने तो एक एक दो दो वो जो बैंक की कॉफी और जो बच्चों के कागज वागज हमने सारे बैग में बंद कर दिए थे कि दूसरे दिन हम भी कहीं सुरक्षित स्थान पे चले जाएंगे।
तो वहाँ आपदा आई तो भाई गए, सब कुछ गए, परिवार के सदस्य गए, बड़ा भाई गया और बुआ लोगों के बेटे गए, सब कुछ वहीं थे, सब वहीं से सब चले गए।
जब बारिश आती थी तो पूरे गांव वाले सोते नहीं थे।
Institutionally situated within Tata Relief Committee and coordinated by Tata Sustainability Group, the Tata Uttarakhand program was the first one Tata response to a disaster. The response focused on rebuilding lives and rekindling resilience amongst the people in the worst affected districts of Uttarkashi, Pithoragarh and Rudraprayag, working in areas that are remote and inaccessible for most of the year. The rehabilitation efforts focused on 4 themes of intervention: livelihoods and skilling, early childhood care and education, water and sanitation, and social and development infrastructure. By providing improved seeds, new breeds of livestock, and setting up household-level micro-enterprises, the Tata Group helped restore natural resource-based livelihoods and improve the income of small or marginal families. Life was limping back. Spirits were being revived.
तो समय जो टाटा ने जो काम किया है वो सराहनीय था।
टाटा कंपनी आई, इन्होंने लोगों को यहाँ पे बहुत सारी मदद की, खाने को दिया, काम करने के लिए रोजगार दिया, किसी को बोला यहाँ पेड़ लगाओ, पैसे दिए, तो महिलाओं को भी जागृत किया, सब लोगों ने वहाँ से अपना कारोबार शुरू किया।
A special focus of the Livelihoods program was encouraging women to equip themselves with skills to generate income. They were urged to create self-help groups where they gathered to learn means to supplement their incomes.
कि समूह बनाने में आप लोग एकत्रित रह सकते हैं और कोई भी काम कर सकते, तो संगठन की बहुत बड़ी आवश्यकता होती है।
Women were supported with sewing machines and briefed on feeding cows with good feedstock for better quality milk production. They were encouraged to sell the milk to cooperatives for a better price. Rehabilitation and upgrading skills were taking place side by side. The floods had interrupted the career paths of the youth. Skilling centers established as a part of the response enabled skill development and opened the doors to the organized sector.
बहुत प्राउड फील होता है एज ए गर्ल। आज के टाइम पे इंडिपेंडेंट होना बहुत ज़रूरी है और मुझे ये अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलके मैं खुद को बहुत ज़्यादा लकी मानती हूँ।
Early childhood care and education was the other core area which needed immediate action. Anganwadis and classrooms destroyed in the devastation were rebuilt and furnished. Basic amenities were put in place so children could get back to their schools as early as possible.
बच्चे आगे बढ़ेंगे, हमारे देश का नाम रोशन करेंगे। वो अच्छी शिक्षा अगर वो गेन करेंगे तो ज़रूरी है कि भाई आने वाले समय में जो है हमें एक अच्छा रिजल्ट मिलेगा।
Normalcy was being restored. Parallelly, the wrecked infrastructure of Uttarakhand was being rebuilt, brick by brick. Waterworks, which had been destroyed by the floods, were restored. Potable water was now available in abundance through the water and sanitation program.
अब तो पानी इतना आ गया कि ओवरफ्लो हो रहा है, उससे परेशान हो गए लोग।
The program aimed at building water and sanitation infrastructure like filters, reservoirs, tap standpots, toilets, watershed development, and bringing about a change in water-related hygiene behavior. The Social and Development Infrastructure Program created assets for the community with contributions from them. They contributed land, locally available raw materials, and labor, which developed in them a deep sense of ownership for the renewed infrastructure. Natural disasters come unannounced. Providing quick relief and effective response to a destroyed land is of great humanitarian significance. Being a good corporate citizen is integral to the Tata philosophy. The Tata Group has always stood by its ethos of responding and steadfastly supporting the rebuilding and rehabilitation in the wake of natural disasters.
गर्व होता है अपने आप पे कि हाँ हम भी कुछ कर रहे हैं।
हमको ये लगा कि हम नया जीवन पा लिया हमने। अच्छा लगा हमको ये काम करके।
हमारा तो ऐसा है कि जैसे एक समूह बन चुका है, फ्रेंडशिप ज़्यादा हो गई।
बाकी कि ये सब हम एक परिवार है हमारा यहाँ। जब हम यहाँ आते हैं तो हमको ये लगता है हमारा एक परिवार है।